We were studying Sa Shanti. Yes, in the beginning we have seen who has written this one. Actually, it's a translated story from English. So Sa Shanti, which means she is Shanti. Well, there was a girl. Her name is Shanti. They are explaining a girl's name Shanti, or a person one who was having a love kind or affection towards a girl. That story is explained in this lesson actually. So there was a person one who was working in an office, and every day he used to stay in front of a garment, and because in the garment there was a beautiful girl who used to be looking very nice. This person, the author, he says himself, says like using Uttama Purushas, which means I used to see, I have seen her, I got love. In this way he uses everywhere I for himself, he says. So which means it might be an experience of the author, or just he has taken the hero as himself. So he used to stand in front of that garment, he used to see the girl every day, he used to have a kind of happiness by seeing her. So unknowingly he had developed some kind of love or affection towards that lady. One day that girl had come to his office suddenly, and then he started speaking with her in the office. There he got to know that girl, she was she's a wife of his one of his villager. Means there was a person called Sundara, one who is from his own village. This Shanti or this girl is that Sundara's wife. So he got to know about Sundara. Then he remembered when Sundara had come to this person and he had asked for some work, all these things. So he had explained, we have seen all these things, or we have explained all these beginning parts. So now he was or Sundara and this person's conversation is being explained or being narrated over here, and that Sundara was saying that there were 6 brothers and 2 sisters, all these things. And after this he was saying, like, once father got retired from the work, it was very difficult to work over there in the village. So 4 of us had moved out from our village, and we are searching some work in the cities to take care of our lives. And as well as 2 of my brothers, they stayed back there in the village itself. That's what Sundara had explained to the author. Then he said that 2 girls who were there with them, they got married also. So now after that, what happened is the point now. So now he is saying, aham dashama kaksha paryantam patitavan asmi. He is saying, aham means yes, I have studied till 10th grade. Dashama kaksha paryantam, I have studied till 10th grade. Patitavan asmi, I have studied till 10th grade. Nakhalu udyogaha asmat pratikshayam tishtanti tathapi tvadartham kamapi samuchitam udyogam anveshtum prayatishye. So what this person was replying to him when the author asked Sundara that whether he have studied or not, then that Sundara said, yes, I have studied till 10th grade. Then this author is replying, udyogaha asmat pratikshayam natishtanti kalu. See, udyoga, the jobs, they don't wait for us. The jobs, they don't wait for a person. This person is coming, I should wait for him. No, jobs will come. If a person will come, the one will get the opportunity, he will get the job, he will move away. That's all. So tathapi, even if jobs are not going to wait for us, but also what I do, tvadartham, for your sake, I'll just try to find some job, suitable job for you. Just anveshtum, search, I'll just try to search a proper job for you. Prayatishi, I'll try, prayatnam karomi, or prayatishi, whatever is trying, I try for that. Tvatpita Govindaha asmakam bahu sevam kurute sma. Your father, Tvatpita, your father Govinda, he worked for us. Bahu sevam, he worked for us from very long time. Dinadvayanantara mampashya. So you please see me after 2 days. After 2 days, please come back and see me. So iti ajnapitavanaham, I ordered him in this way. So I ordered him in this way. Anyways, I was working in an office, so I was in that place to order someone in that way. So I ordered him to meet me after 2 days. Kathamapi daivagatya uktamatre eva mai कोऽपि उद्योगपतिः स्वीये समवाये एनं सुन्दरं सेवकत्वेन स्वीकृतवान्. So somehow what happened? Somehow Daivagatya, by God's grace, Uktamatra, I told him, come and meet me after 2 days. By saying that, by God's grace, what happened? So some Udyogapati, a business person, Udyogapati, business person, he had asked me, if someone is there with you, please send the person to me. I need some persons to work with me. So then Sviye Samavaya means in his company or in his office, Enam Sundaram Sevakatmena. So that some business person had made this Sundara as his security or a guard in front of the office. In that way, a business person gave a job to this Sundara, or Sundara has been appointed as a guard in an office. Tataha Paredyavi Sundaraha Tatra Asit Preshitaha. So once I got to know about all this, this business person's requirement, so then what I did, I sent this Sundara to him. Tatra Asit Preshitaha. So I have sent Sundara, or Sundara has been sent to that office, or to that officer, or to that business person. So later what happened? Manye saha udyogaha tena svikritaha asit Sundara. So I think that udyoga, that job is been taken by Sundara, because he will tell Sundara would have taken that job. Why he is saying that one? Because Tataha na kadapi asid avasaraha Sundaram militum. After that incident, I never met Sundara again. I haven't met Sundar again after that incident, or there was no time for me to meet Sundar after that. Avasaraha means there was no time for me to meet him. Vastutah tu mama tavati asaktirapi nasit. And actually, in Vastutah means in actual sense, I was not having interest. Asakti api nasit. I was not having interest to meet him, or I was not interested to meet him anymore. Tam punaha drashtum. So that's what. I was not having interest to see him again. Why? Saha anyam kamapi prarthanam puraskuryaditi manishaya eva. Why I was not having any interest to see him? Because that Sundara would have asked some other help. He would have asked for some other help. Kamapi prarthanam anyam puraskuryat. He might ask me for some other help. In that manisha, in that thought, I literally never wanted to meet him again. So that's what author is saying. Now the main words, asmat pratikshayam, waiting for us. Samuchitam, best or a good suitable one. Anveshtum, in search. Prayatishya, try or trying. Ajnapitaman, ordered. Daivagatya, grace, by God's grace. Uktamatre, just by telling. Udyogapati, businessman. Asakti, interest. Puraskuryat, honor. No, Puraskuryati is like he might ask in that way. Manishaya, mindset, in that mind or in that thought. Next, what happened? Next, now Sundarasya Patni Shantihi Mama Sammukhe Atishtat. Now that Sundara's wife Shanti is standing in front of me. Sammukhe Atishtat, that Shanti, that girl Shanti, Sundara's wife, is standing in front of me. Muhurta matreham sarvamapi Sundarasya vrittantam smrtavan. For a moment, once that girl said, I am this Sundara's wife. By saying that, immediately I had remembered all the things. Remembered all the things what happened in the past. Sundarasya Vrittantam, story. Smritavan, I remembered. Ataf param sa vastrapane vidyamana na aparachita apsaraha ya mama mano mandire sadhu samstapita. So once I understood this girl is his wife, Sundara's wife, after that ataf param sa, after that girl vastrapane vidyamana, one who was there in the garment, that girl, she was not a stranger for me. Aparachita, na aparachita means no, aparachita is a stranger, na aparachita means not a stranger. Okay, she was not a stranger, or I have explained in the beginning. Apsaraha, I used to see all of them like apsaras, like angels. So after that, once I got to know that she is the wife of Sundara, then she was not a stranger for me. And then, I had thought in the beginning, in my mind, someone was completely, completely was there in my mind someone. So she was not that one. I have changed my mindset after getting to know that she is wife of Sundara. सा तु अस्माकमेव ग्रामस्य सुन्दरस्य पत्नी सा एव. So now he is explaining again. So this girl, she is Sundarasya Patni. She is this wife of Sundara. She is Shanti, and she is the one. So she was not someone else for me. She was a kind of I know that girl. In that way, he is saying now. I know that girl. She is not a stranger for me. So, and she is from my village only. So that our place, our caste, or our religion, our region, in that way some kind of connections we build in our mindset. That kind of feeling he is saying. She is from my place only, in that way. After that, he is asking her, Matsakashat tvam kim apekshase? What do you want from me? He is asking. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? He is asking. Apekshase, what you are expecting from me? What you are expecting from me? Ashanta manasa tam aham apracham apitu na kopena. Actually, once I got to know about her, that she is wife of that Sundara, then I was not fine. Like, I was not comfortable. Ashanta manasa, I was getting irritated, but I was not having any angriness. See, he is saying na kopena, but ashanta manasa, I was having irritated mindset, but I was not having any anger towards her. So in that sense, I asked her, what do you want from me? What are you expecting from me? Then she has started saying now, Mama patihi bhavad vishaya uktavana asit. My husband, he has told about you. Before only my husband has told about you. Bhavad vishaya, he has told about you. Bhavad vishaye tu bahu bhakti bhavayutaha kalu saha. And he was having complete devotion towards you, or he was devoted to you, because he is only gave the work for him, no? So bahu bhakti bhava, he was having complete, he was having a kind of humbleness towards you. He was devoted to you. Yataha udyogah dapitah bhavata, because you have given the job for him, because you have given a job for him. That's the reason he was having complete faith in you. Tena udyogena cha notanam jivanam pradattam asit asmin mahanagare mopatyu. And by that, tena udyogena, that what you made some person to give him a job, and later that job had turned my husband's life completely, because notanam jivanam, because of that job my husband has started a new life. Pradattam, it has given pradattam means giving. So that job has given a new life for my husband. Where? In this Mahanagara, in this city, Mumbai. And then sacha maya saha bhavantam drashtum sakradva militum yesha. And then my husband, he wanted to meet you, militum. He wanted to meet you, and he wanted to introduce me to you. In that way, he was having always one kind of interest, or he was having a desire that he has to meet you again. Ubhayoho api avayoho kritajnatam. And we were both of us together, both of us together wanted to show some gratitude for you, because you had given the job and you had made our life turn in that way. Param saha divasaha nayava samayataha. But what happened that day? What we had thought, we wanted to offer our gratitude towards you, but what happened? That day hasn't come. Like that she says, and after that she stops suddenly in between, at the end. Then he is asking the author, Kim about Sundarasya? What are you saying? So you are saying that day hasn't come, which means what happened to Sundar? Where is he? That's what author is asking now. The main words, Muhurta Matre, within a minute. Vrittantam, the story. Okay, Dapitaha, given. Samayataha, arrived. They are saying, Na Samayataha means it hasn't come, the day hasn't come. What happened to Sundara? So she is replying, Gata Varshe Divam Agat. What she said? Gata Varshe, last year. What happened? Gata Varsha is last year. Last year, Divam Agat. See, have you heard a word called Divangataha? There is a word called Divangataha, right? What is it? Divangataha means? Divam Gataha. Divam. It's a loka, Duloka, Bhuloka, Duloka, like that. Divam Gataha. He had gone to the next loka, which means Divam Agat. He had gone to a place from where he cannot come back, which means he died. Last year he died. Okay. Divamagat. Asti kinchit apatyam te. Oh my God, how it can? So Divamagat. It was a shock for me. The author is saying it was a shock for me. Asti kinchit apatyam te. So is there any or is there any kid for him, or are there any children? Any children? Then the Shanti is replying, Nasti kimapi. No kids, no children. Aham asam shokavishtaha. Aham shokavishtaha asam. After listening to that, I was very upset. Shokavishtaha. I was very upset. Aham shokavishtaha asam. I was very upset. Eka vidhava idrishi tarune vayasi eva maunam. He was thinking now. He hasn't said anything, a dialogue outside, but inside his mind he was thinking, in this young age, Tarune Vayasi, in this young age, she had become a widow. She had become a widow in this very young age. My God. Then he kept, he kept nothing. He kept mum. He was not saying anything. He kept quiet. Then she only, Maunam Vibhajya. Then she only opened, saying what? Shvaha, tomorrow. Shanti is saying, that Shanti, the girl, is saying, Shvaha mama patyuhu prathamam varshika shraddham vartate, and tomorrow is my husband's first annual program. Means after someone's death in Hindu culture or in Sanatana culture, they will do every yearly program, yearly shraddham they will call. So that yearly program is there. Tomorrow is the first annual program of my husband. Shanti is saying, Ahamatra samayata bhavataha ashisha grahitum, and I am here to get your ashisha. I am here to get your blessings for that. Bhavanscha tasya gramasya eva abhijanah kshetra swami cha, and moreover you are also from the same village from where my husband has come. Gramasya, tasya gramasya, sundarasya gramasya. You are also from the same village, and you are abhijana, you are a kshetra swami, and you are a landlord of that place. So you should bless me, because you are quite, you are a elderly person also, and then you are in a place to bless all of us. So please bless me, like that she is saying. Divam agat, died. Apatyam, kid. Shokavishta, sorrow, or getting upset or crying, whatever. Vidhava, widow. Ashisha, blessings. Abhijana, own people. Then Ashisha, then I got shocked. Ashisha durhridayena kshetra swamina. Now he is thinking, Ashisha, my God, she's asking blessings from me. Durhridayena, what kind of person I am? Kshetra Swami, she is calling me a Kshetra Swami, landlord, but what kind of heart I have? Durhridayena. Every day I was seeing this girl and I was thinking bad about this girl, one who is from my place only. And what kind of mindset she has? She is asking blessings from me. So what kind of blessings I can give? Such a stone-hearted or such a bad-hearted person I am. What's Kshetra Swami? What landlord I am? She is having such a respect in me, but I don't have anything. Unnata udyogavan na kshetra swami cha iti yaha ayam adhyasaha maya sarvatra karitha asit saha jhatiti bhagnah abut. Actually, I was having a mindset. One who is having, unnata udyogavan na kshetra swami cha iti yaha ayam adhyasa. I was having adhyasa, means I was having an illusion or a delusion. What I was having? One who will be in a high position, or one who will be in a good post, one who will earn so much money, and or one who will be having a land, or one who will be a landlord. All these people are great. I was thinking always this kind of delusion I had. Immediately immediately, jhatiti, immediately. That kind of delusion, bhagnaha, that kind of delusion has gone out of my mind. Aham achintayam, I thought. What I thought? Seyam shantihi, sa iyam shantihi, asmakam samskrutehe pratinidhi asti. And this girl, Shanti, she is an ambassador. Pratinidhi is ambassador of our culture. That Shanti is an ambassador of our culture. Kathankaramapi ahamna. Anyways, in any manner, I am not the one. In any manner, I should not represent my culture because I know how I am. So, that girl Shanti, she is an ambassador of our culture. She should be the representative of our culture. Sa khalu susamskrita jivati. See how she is living. She is living culturally. She is having a cultural lifestyle. Who am I to bless her? Rupyakanam shatasya mudram ekam udhritya shantyai prayacham. And I took 100 rupees one note. Mudram eka. Mudra means note. Rupyakanam shatasya means 100 rupees one note. Just I took out 100 rupees note from my pocket and I just gave that money to Shanti. Just I was having money in my hand. Just I stuck out my hand to her and I said her, Kripaya svikuru shraddha karmana. And definitely you should have some, you have to do so many work tomorrow. You have to buy so many things. It will be helpful for you. Please, Kripaya, please, svikuru, please take this. That's what I was telling her. And Sundaraha, that boy, Sushilaha yuvasit, he was also having a very good culture, a youth, one who was having a good cultural lifestyle. Aham bhavatah ashihi akankshaya agata nakhalu dhanashaya. And she replied, just I came here to take your blessings. I was expecting your blessings. Ashihi akanksha, I was expecting your blessings and not to take any money. I don't want any money. I was not having any intention to get money from you. Just I wanted some blessings from a elder person. That's the reason I came here. That's the reply Shanti has given to me. Durhridayena, bad thinking. Jhatiti, suddenly. Bhagnah, broken. Pratinidhi, representative. Kathankaramapi, somehow. Udhritya, lifting up. I mean, here lifting up, here not lifting up. Here udhritya means taking out the money, that's the reason. Prayajam, gave. Akankshaya, desire, wish. This was her wish to get blessing. To get blessing was my wish, but not to get money. That was not my wish. Then Shantihi dhanam na svichakara. So finally that girl Shanti, she hasn't taken money from me. Sa mam pranamya karyalaya prakoshtad bahihi niragachat. She just pranamya, she just saluted me and she just showed, she folded both of her hands in front of me and she had moved out of my office. Aham tasyaha vishaye adhikam jnatum abhilashitavan. And I was having some interest to know more about her. I was having some interest to know more about her. Paramsa avakasham na achat, but she didn't give that any opportunity to know about her. Vastutastu aham asmi tasya nitaram pratajna. Actually, in the actual sense, I should be, I should show the gratitude towards that girl. Tasya nitaram pratajna. I should show that one. Why? Because Sa khalu me hridayat kilbisham ekam nirmulitavati. And because, why? Because she had taken one bad thinking out of my heart. I was thinking a bad, or I was thinking in a different way about that girl. But she had come to my office, she had spoken with me, and she explained who she is and all. Now, she helped me to come out of that kind of bad thinking. So I should have I should show the gratitude to that girl. Idanim esha sa na sa, and idanim, now. I was saying no in the beginning. So what happened? Sa Shanti I was saying now. What happened now after meeting her? Esha sa, she is that girl, or that girl is she. Or she has not, or she is not that girl. Means I know her. In the beginning she was a stranger. So I used to tell about her that she is that girl, or that girl, some in a pronoun. But now she is not so far, she is very close to me, which means she is from my place only. That I'm a known person to her, or she is a known person to me. In that way he is saying. Abhilashitavan, desired for. Nitaram, always. Kilbisham, dirt. Nirmulan, removing, getting rid of, whatever you take. The story is given here. The complete story is written. The beautiful 20-year-old girl with a unique charisma on her face, with elegant appeal, beautiful attire, exquisite smile, and well-mannered ideas. She was working in a clothing boutique. I was, accustomed to see her face, get mesmerized of her beauty, and this was my routine while on the way to my office. And then what happened? All these things. See here, the lifeless doll placed in a large glass box at the entrance, caged in a lighthouse, dressed like a living mannequin, wearing new costumes every day, delighted the customer's mind with the lure. So you know what he's saying then. And yeah, I kept on wondering myself about the beautiful girl, and why is she in my mind so often? Her mother and father? Is she married or not? And if yes, who would be her lucky husband, and so on. Seeing her every day would bring the unexplained and exotic delight in me, so that she is being in my thoughts. I can spend the next day with the serenity. So then, yeah, you can read complete story. Yeah, this one here, her forehead was drained without sindoor and kumkum, whatever. I was wonderstruck. Then why didn't she keep it? Oh, but that. What am I thinking about her? People say and believe that a lot of miracles happen in this world, but I don't believe in everything. So because that girl had come to his office about that incident, then she said that her name is Shanti, the wife of Sundara, all this thing. So I knew Govinda had many children, but there was no personal communication between us. So then about that Sundara, all the communication. So even though I was troubled and unhappy inside, I asked her gently the reason of our visit. So then I was miserable. The girl was widowed at a young age. Yeah. And then because she wiped out all the impurity, yeah, that's what he is saying, no? She replied back saying, I have come for your blessings, not for money. Okay. Shanti gave the money back. She bowed to me and walked out of my room. I wanted to know more about her, but she never gave it a chance. Virtually, I owe her, because she wiped out all the impure thoughts which were dominantly playing in my mind. Now the boutique girl and Shanti weren't same. No, they were same. Some mistake is here. Now the boutique girl and Shanti weren't same. Both of us same. Both of them are same, which means in the beginning were same. Okay, was same. Which means in the beginning I was thinking that girl, she is someone else, but now I know that girl. So there is no stranger feeling between that Shanti and me. That's what he wanted to tell us. Yes, all the question and answers you can see here. Sa Shantihi kutra karyam karoti. Where? Shantya patyuhu nama kim? What's his name? Her husband's name. Sundaraha kimartham nagaram agachati. Why he had come to the city? Sundarasya pita kaha. Who is his father? Sundaraha kiyat paryantam patitavan. Till which grade he had studied? Sankshepataschet smartavya sarvavayava sundari. Dash navanitam paridhana vishesham dharayati. Navanavinam. What is that answer? Pratidinam navanavinam paridhana vishesham dharayati. Aham asmi dash sundarasya patni. Aham asmi Shantihi sundarasya patni. Me hridayat kilabishamekam nirmulitavati. Okay. These are the answers. Then Vitraihi, yeah, Shantyaha Saundaryam. In the first paragraph, you can find the answers for this question. Shanti kimartham tarunam drashtum agatavati. Tarunam means I. Wherever you are finding no I, the author is saying aham, aham. That's what tarunam. Okay. Why she had come to his office? That you need to explain. Sundaraha kimartham swagramam tektuman. Why Sundara left his own village? The communication or conversation between this author and that Sundara, in that incident it will come why he had left. That 6 sons, 2 girls, all these things. And 10 sentence answers. Shanti darshana tarunasya chinta santiti. After seeing her, what he thought? Sa Shanti, complete story you need to explain. रेखांकितानि पदानि आश्रित्य प्रश्ननिर्माणं कुरुत. शान्तिः धनं न स्वीचकार. What would be the questionary word? Udyogaha asmak pratikshayam na tishtanti. Udyogaha, which vibhakti you find and put the questionary word also in the same vibhakti, that's all. Sundaraha sushilah yuva asit. So same. Sanyojayata. Puthalika. What? Palalate. Kumkumam. Yeah. And kilbisham. Papam. Sin. Govindaha. Bahvapatyaha. Then Puthalika is Vastrapanam. Okay, these are the answers. Fine. Study well and make the notes.